How do you turn a seamless tile into seamless texture brushes for Procreate? Well, it actually starts out with a previous tutorial that teaches you how to make the tile. This tutorial teaches you how to make the brush, and then our next tutorial teaches you how to level up those patterns for products. For step 2 of our project, this tutorial, we're going to need the most recent version of Procreate along with Pattern Power, a freebie that you can download from my site at bit.ly/from Liz, or you can just simply use the scan me code to get there. 3 things before we start. We're going to be using a tile that we created in a previous step in tutorial 1 or step 1 of our project. Next, I would love to see your patterns, and if you'd like to share them, please share them at Instagram with the hashtag DigiWithLiz. Next, you can check your patterns to see if they're seamless at my site. Go to bit.ly/check-tile. All right, let's go ahead and get to it. Okay, we've come back in with our 12 by 12 inch tile, and we are going to create one seamless pattern brush, and the seamless brush works inside of Procreate. This is not for creating a seamless tile that will work outside of Procreate with print on demand companies. That comes with step 3. This is just step 2 where we're focusing on the brushes. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. We're just going to create one single brush. So we still have our we created a composite image when we tested our tile in the previous step 1. So this is the only image that we're going to use for our brush. But let's see, how big do we want this? Let's go ahead and go, I think we're going to go with 36 this time. And it would be used if you're creating a digital product or a print on demand product. It would be used with a canvas size that is 6,028 by 6,028. But we're not going to worry about that yet. We are going to just worry about the size for inside of Procreate. So we're going to go with a 36 size, and we're going to gently slide that over and tap duplicate. And with our duplicate made, we're going to go ahead and let's just make sure, yep, that it's selected, our image is selected. We're going to come over to our wrench, add, copy canvas, go back to our copy of the brush and tap it to open up the studio here. And then we're going to go to grain because that's where which image we replace. If you forget, it does tell you, so it's not shape, it is definitely grain. And then tap edit, import, and paste. Okay, and if it comes in like that, that's what you want because the white is actually outside is the darker color. But you may decide you want it to be different, so you might go like that, and that's fine too. But this is actually the color that we want. So when you get it like that, you can go ahead and tap done. Now, this looks a little odd, so let's go ahead and see if we want to change the rendering just a bit, see if that'll make a difference to some, oh, yeah, okay, well, oh yeah, we still see our texture and stuff like that, so that's pretty good. So rendering, we're going to set to light glaze, and when we're satisfied with that, we're going to go ahead and tap done. Okay, so we have just the one brush. Let's go ahead and test it. We're going to go ahead and turn off the visibility, of all of our brushes here and create a new brush on top. And we can use whatever color we want. Let's go ahead and go with this sort of darker red, but maybe a little brighter like that. Okay, and let's go ahead and see. Oh, that's awesome. I love that. That's really cool. Okay, so this would be great for an illustration, and you can of course change the colors to anything you like. If you like something dark, different. This almost seems like it'd be perfect like for a bathroom drawing or something like that, or yeah, I don't know. Anyway, it's cool. Okay, so but this is not a seamless tile, and it is a seamless brush. Like it will work inside of any Procreate file as a seamless brush, but it's not a seamless tile for a print-on-demand product. And let me show you what I mean. We're going to go ahead and tap our top bar here to get the ellipsis. Tap that, the 3 dots there. Oops. To open up the little menu, and then select split view. And then we're going to go over to digiartswithliz.com, and if you tap tools and pattern checker, you'll see my pattern checker here, and you can just drag and drop the image right into the pattern checker, and it's a 2 by 2 block repeat, so 2 this way and 2 this way, and you can see there's a seam right here and there's a seam right here, and so that's what the difference is here. So while this is seamless inside of any size of Procreate canvas, it isn't making you a seamless tile for a print-on-demand product. So that comes with step 3. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope your day is amazing.